Y'all, Joe here, Southern Coastal Cooking, coming at you today. One of my favorite Southern Cajun cold weather dishes, grillades and grits. And it's going to be really, really good because it's about 32 degrees outside. Unseasonably cold right now, even though it is November. Get out in the South, we just ain't used to all this kind of stuff. I really want to do this outside, but I just couldn't, not with this freezing weather. So I brought it inside. We'll go ahead and get started here on the stove. One of my big cast iron pots, and let's just let it roll. It's going to be real good. I've done it in the past. I want to redo this video to make it nice for you. Again, y'all, we're going to start out in a big 9-quart cast iron, and we're going to go with some bacon. Okay, got a pound or two, some wonderful applewood smoked bacon, busted up, some lardons, and what this will do, this is going to give us the grease we need and flavor to fry up our grillades, okay? So once let those go, just let all that melt down. It'll be real good right there. It'll take a few minutes. It's gonna be good. All right, now the bacon's almost rendered all its fat out. It's pretty much done, just some nice bacon bits. I'm about to scoop all those bacon bits out and retain the grease or the oil for what we're about to do here in a second. So now we have removed the bacon. I've strained the oil out. Let me get you where y'all can see a little bit better. There you go. And I'm going to add to that little bit of reserve of bacon grease or oil, a little bit of peanut oil, okay? Because I need some oil in here. This is going to help fry or just the grillades, okay? So I'm going to let that heat up. It's part bacon drippings and then part a little bit of peanut oil there. That's what we're looking for. Now that the grease is kind of hot, look, all I did was season them grillades over there with some of this amazing Heaven Made products, amazing Cajun, and some of their amazing rub, okay? Heaven Made products. It's incredible rub, so we cut them up. I bought it like the cube steak, tenderized. I cut it up and put that seasoning on them, and we tossed them in flour, okay? I'm quite ready yet. As soon as that grease gets hot, we're gonna roll. It's gonna be real good, y'all. All right, we should be ready now. Let's go ahead and get this meat down in here. Oh yeah, starting to smoke a little bit. With this meat's gonna take the temperature down a lot with this cold meat in here. Basically, what we're doing, we just want to cook that batter on the outside of the meat, and that's going to help with the gravy. It's also going to help with some really good flavor. And so all that's very important to us. Make room for everybody here. All right, we're just going to have to do it in batches, of course. All right, and we'll let that cook for a minute just like that, and we'll flip them over. Flip it over and get on to the other side. So we're just going to get that good kind of sear on there. Just cook that batter in, and oh yeah, it's going to be really, really good. It won't take long. Don't want to cook it all the way, see? Basically, see like that, it's just a little bit golden there. That's all we want. Okay? The flip them, I'll go around, I'll take them out after that. Okay? Alright, so we got that pan washed out. Not washed out, I'm sorry, just poured the extra grease out of it. Look at it. That's that flan, everything in the bottom of the pan. Turn on by medium heat. I got some veggies in here. What you want is onions, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and a little bit of celery. Alright? Miracle. And that's the good stuff. That's what we want in there. They have another bag of that stuff somewhere. Ah, shoot. Dropping stuff all over the place. I'll tell you what, I'm just gonna go with some chopped onions for the second bag, okay? Sorry about that. So, it's just some extra onions. Alright, so we got that in there. Let's let that just kind of saute down and coat the pan. So now that these veggies have had a chance to cook down a little bit, we'll add some seasoning. All right, a little ground basil, about a half a teaspoon or so. Some ground thyme. Ooh, just patted thyme there. That should be good. Garlic powder. I'm gonna put that in my hand. And then I've got just some ground crushed garlic there. Haven't made products. They're amazing Cajun. Okay, let's go there. Open that up. Need something to measure down. I don't need to measure nothing, do I? Look, a little bump of that right there. Good stuff. All right. Last but not least, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. I always helps things around. Now, this is optional, but I like it in mine. I normally put petite dice, but I don't have any dice made, so I'm going with a little bit of tomato sauce, about half a can. Okay. And stir all that around. Let that get happy in there. Okay. Tomato sauce, put a little bit of a Creole aspect to it, you know. But oh yeah, that's good stuff. Let's put that about medium heat there. Let that just kind of hang out. All right. Now I'll set that to the side here for a minute on low burner. We got a roux here. Start a roux. I'm gonna do a blonde roux with about a 1/4 cup of flour to it. I may do a little bit more. Let me grab another 1/4 cup flour. So about a half cup flour, a half cup of that reserved bacon grease. Okay. Here's what we're doing with this: just cooking down some of this raw flour. Okay. And this will give us a thickening agent for here in a little bit. Okay, so we've cooked this flour for a few minutes. It's still a very, very blonde roux, but that's what I'm wanting. So I'm gonna thicken a good bit of liquid here. But I'm gonna put some of it off in the veggies, okay, in the vegetables, okay. So watch this. Go here with this roux. Should be good right there. That's how I like to make it in a separate pot like that. That way you can add in when you want to. You don't worry about stuff burning. All right, now everything's gonna get real, real thick, real quick. Okay, because you put that roux in there, right? There it goes, thicken up. Now I gotta run grab my my juice. Okay, I got my stock. This is a some beef stock. Okay, with a beef stock. Pour that in there. Nice cold beef stock. All right, we'll stir that in. Follow that up with a container of beef broth, 32 ounces each. The stock wasn't exactly 32 ounces. I'd used some of it earlier. But anyway, stir that in there. You're mighty fine right there. All right, need a little bit more liquid. So I'm going to use a little bit more broth that I got. Now we're stirring this here. I'll put another about half thing of broth in there. And we're just going to basically get it back up to simmer. And then we'll add that beef and stuff back in, y'all. So I taste it, it's good. But I like mine a little spicy, so I'm going to add some of this, see if y'all can see here. This Sure Shot Sid's hot sauce to it. Just a few drops of that in there. Oh, that'd be good while it heats up. All right, now this is heated back up. We'll go ahead and take our meat from earlier. If y'all can see here, and just dump it back in here. Turn it, put it in the bath. And you know what I was thinking? I was making all those drippings with that bacon. It's definitely not traditional for this dish, but you know, bacon bits never really hurt anything, I wouldn't think. So let's just put these bacon bits in there. You know the ones we were using to make the grease with? Oh yeah. Give it a little bit of consistency there. So we'll stir that. Turn it just like that. As soon as it comes back up to bubbling again, I will turn it on low and let it go an hour or so just to get good. All right, now it's starting to bubble like that. Give it a good stir. Oh yeah, we'll go ahead and cut it down to low simmer. Let it go for about an hour, then we'll test it, all right? All right, y'all, it is ready now. Look at that, how tender that meat is, just wonderful. Let me go ahead. I got some store-bought grits that I just mixed up according to the package directions. What you like to do with the grits and grillades is just you know, put you a little bit of sauce right on top of the grit, just like that. Then you come back and take your meat and grab something to get it with. Get something to grab some of your meat here. Nice big chunks. And I just kind of lay it on top of here. I'm trying to do this where it looks nice for y'all, but don't look like it's working out for me too well tonight. But you get the idea, okay? Let me clean this plate up a little bit. Isn't that nice, though? All right, y'all, let's give it a try. I tell you what, I'm worn plumb out after cooking all day today. Oh yeah. Cut me a little piece off right through here. Some grits and everything else. That flavor is amazing. It's one of my favorite cold weather dishes, y'all. Grillades and grits. Y'all gotta give it a try. Thank y'all so much. Y'all remember to like my videos, sub my channel. Y'all check the description box for stuff, what you like in the videos. God bless y'all and y'all have a good one.